Hey, it's Jessica at the Crafty Lab, and I'm coming to you from the Crafty Lab just to remind you that we have a couple of important holidays coming up. Of course, everybody knows Mother's Day, which this year is on Sunday, May 10th. A lesser known holiday is the day before, Saturday, May 9th, which is National Dog Moms Day. So just a couple of gift ideas for both of those holidays while they're coming up so you're not caught off guard. National Dog Moms Day, I've got a lot of stuff that you could gift to someone for National Dog Moms Day. I'm going to put some pictures of some things, but you name it, I probably have it. And then, of course, Mother's Day. You know, if your mom is a reader, you could have like a book nook combination, whereas you could get like a bookmark with a mug and a coaster, throw blanket and the throw pillow, tote bag maybe, a journal and pen, maybe a wine tumbler or a water bottle if they are not a coffee or tea drinker, a lens cloth to clean their glasses so that they can read that book. Or if they're not a book person, you could get them a planter, some puzzles, or any number of things. I've got some beautiful bendable bowls that you can customize. Or, you know, if you tell me that your mom's favorite color is pink and her favorite flower is roses, I can do pink roses on pretty much anything. Wind spinner, bowl, journal, any of the things that I just mentioned. I also have 2 mugs that are specifically themed towards moms, and I'll put photos of those up as well. But mothers are really important in our lives, and dog moms are really important in their dogs' lives too. So make sure you recognize yours if you're lucky enough to still have your mom with you. And I'd be happy to discuss options, ideas. If you're not quite sure what to get, I can help you come up with a good gift idea. I'll put some photos of some gift ideas here. So just reach out to me and let me know if you want to start collaborating on a perfect gift for a mom or a dog mom. Leave me a comment with what you think the perfect gift to receive would be from either your 4-legged or 2-legged child. Please like, share, and subscribe. This video was lab tested and lab approved. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day.